Good afternoon. This is Melissa with the StockSwoosh.com and welcome. Welcome to GLD. This actually is the play of the day today here for me. I knew this would go to 118 today. I mean, it basically almost did. It got within a couple pennies. And I did this first thing this morning. And the interesting thing is that I did the first trade in and it was up and it didn't get out of it and didn't hold it through. I'll go over this in a minute, but it was tough going here until the afternoon. I did end up getting back in it and typically just, not trade the afternoon, but I really had conviction this was going to go to 118 and it started doing these baby steppies here into the lunchtime period. And I really liked it. And I just knew it would work. And it's just sometimes when something's setting up and it's getting ready to go and you just have an instinct that it's going to go. And this has more to go in here. I'm out of this now for today. Nice move. Let's look at the bigger target here on this. Beautiful gap. Just an amazing gap. This has just been working for the last few months. Just a fantastic mover here. So the next area for this is around in here. If you're in this as a swing trade or a core trade, I just day trade. But 113 you'd be looking at. This isn't far off even for this. Wow. Beautiful, nice move in here. So all the metals were lower today. They all gapped down. They were all great gaps. And looking at the 15-minute chart, it was really nice. I was in here down in this move, and I just didn't get out of anything. Didn't get out of any of it. And wanted it to go. Wanted to go right to 118. I was a little impatient. Actually, was ready to get all of that at a 119. So it's kind of silly. It didn't go there then, and I had the stop too tight. I actually had the stop too tight here. The stop should have been over the high of the day, and I had it at 85, and it retested the high of the day. This is how these things have been setting up, though, to be honest with you. So then I got stopped out. I let it go. And then I saw this setup happening in here. Didn't take it, watched it break, and I said, oh, I gotta find a way in this. And I was trying to be patient. I was trying to be patient. I was trying to be patient. And I was really trying to be patient. I realized I was running out of time. And then this last little teeny weeny bar here, the doji that set up at 2 o'clock, which is a major reversal time, and this had a beautiful stop. I ended up taking this then as a late afternoon trade in here and got an immediate nice drop down. Immediate nice drop down. As soon as it tried to break through 118 and couldn't do it, I was out. So I basically just chunked this out in here. Although my initial entry in here after this morning, if I'd hung with it, was 119.63-ish. Okay, so, I had a better price and really should have just put the stop over the high of the day. So, this is the way these things have been setting up, though. Some of the days they've been holding the high of the day, and some of the days they've been going over the high of the day. And so when this retested in here and got close to breaking it, I just took the stop. I just took my stop out. I could have given it a little bit more of a cushion, though. This could actually break 118 even here before the close, but I'm not getting back into it. I'm not in it anymore. And we've only got 30 minutes left in the day. But this ended up paying me nicely. Nicely, right? Just these these kind of stepper caser things, these stepper caser things in here, you've got to grab them. You've got to grab them. So the second entry was up in here. You could have retaken it up in here in the 80s. I waited, though, but I saw it break then. And then when it broke the new low, I said, this is definitely going to 118 or at least 118.50. It sliced right through that in this bar. It had no problem getting through 118.50. But then it bounced. And today was really kind of a day to kind of scalp things. It was tough to get nice, smooth, solid moves in something. So when that thing dropped down hard $1 like that really quickly, and didn't break 118, I was out. This whole sector has just performed so nicely. I typically do not trade the afternoon, but every once in a blue moon, I will look to do something if I see something setting up that's really, really, really nice. Still has target, still has risk to reward, I'll do it. So this is Melissa with the StockSwoosh.com. It's 3:30 in the afternoon on June 26th. If you'd like more information on my gap class, it's this weekend, June 29th and 30th. My number is 602-799-5754. And you can email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com. Thanks and have a great day, everyone.